In case you are faced with a question like this, where we have to convert 43 whole number 1 over 3% to decimal. You see here we have a mixed fraction but represented in percentage form, and we have to convert it into decimal. This is how you do it. Solution. The first thing you want to do is to bring this into improper fraction. And to do that, you say 3 multiplied by 43 plus 1 over 3. Remember, this is still in percent. And now, when you do this, 3 times 3, that's 9. 3 times 4, that's 12. That's 129 plus 1 over 3%. And this would give us 130 over 3%. Now, let's bring this to a fraction. Converting this to fraction means you have to write down now 130 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 100. And when you work with this, this would give us 130 over 300. You can easily say 0 cancel 0 to give us 13 over 30. So this is a small fraction we can easily work with. Now let's convert this fraction into decimal. We are dividing the number 13 by 30. Now 30 in 13 is 0. 0 times 30 will give you 0. And when you subtract, we still have 13. Now we put the decimal point, which you then add a 0 to this. Now 13 in 130. You know that 30 times 4 will give you 120. So it means it can go 4 places. So we write 4 times 30. This will give us 120. And when we subtract this, we have 10. Now another 0 to this. 30 in 100. That will be 3. And then when you apply 3 times 30, we have 90. Subtract, you still have 10. Repeat the same step. 30 in 100, 3. 3 times 30 is 90. And then when you subtract, you still have 10. You can do this on and on. You still keep having the same recurring decimal. So we can then conclude at this point and say that 43 whole number 1 over 3% equals 0.433 as a decimal number. Thank you.